Purushottam Das Tandon was an influential Indian freedom fighter, social reformer, and politician. He actively participated in the non-cooperation movement and played a significant role in India's struggle for independence. Tandon advocated for social justice, fought against social evils like untouchability, and worked towards the upliftment of marginalized communities. He emphasized the values of education, character, and unity in building a progressive society. Tandon's leadership and commitment to freedom and social reforms continue to inspire generations. Today in this video we will learn some few effective quotes by Purushottam Das Tandon. Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. Character is the highest virtue that should be nurtured in every individual. Unity is the strength that can lead a nation towards progress and prosperity. Honesty and integrity are the foundation stones of a successful society. Service to humanity is the true purpose of life. Inclusivity and acceptance are the pillars of a harmonious society. Knowledge empowers us to transform our lives and the world around us. Discipline is the key to achieving greatness in any endeavor. Respect for diversity is essential for fostering a culture of peace and understanding. Empathy and compassion are the guiding principles of a compassionate society.